You ready? You don't look at it yet.
Oh my gosh, I can see it through the thing. No, I'm gonna put mine right here.
Okay.
Can I look at it?
Uh-huh.
Holy! Oof.
Is it bad?
No, it's really good. I didn't exactly do the background piece.
Winston, what do you think?
Let me grab him.
Winston.
He's purring. I think he likes it.
You like it? Does it look like you?
Okay. My turn?
Uh-huh.
These could not be any more different. So let me just get ahead of myself here. So I wrote the name. Yeah, I guess I won't spoil it. Okay. Hand me the phone. Really quick.
I'm so nervous. I'm so scared.
Where is Spooky? Spooky.
Spooky, come here.
That's what I had to work with.
Come here.
If anyone would like to critique me. Alright, hold it up next to you.
Does it look like you? What do you think? I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, you good luck.
What have you done?
So that's what I said originally.
I'm sorry.
Well, originally.
Why is she eating a spider?
Okay. The picture.
Why are her eyes going in two different directions?
That's how they are in the picture. I literally swear. And the whiskers go past her face. That's why when I was drawing it.
I believe that, but they're not that thick.
Yeah. Well, I think I chose the wrong paintbrush. But I originally just wrote her name, and then I figured it'd be more fitting if it was an apology to her.
I'm sorry.
Look at her. I'm just not realizing how big her right ear is. But it's because in the picture, the right ear is like, you can see the inside of the ear, so I think I just made it too big. I don't know. If I was to buy one in an art store, I think I'm going with the spooky pick.